The Neoden FP2636 is a manual stencil printer designed for the precise application of solder paste to PCB pads. The unit is distinguished by its adjustability in the X and Y axes, as well as the rotation angle, which facilitates precise alignment of the stencil to the PCB, ensuring accuracy and repeatability of the process. With dimensions of 660 by 470 millimeters, this device is suitable for standard assembly stations. The printer is not equipped with a stencil frame. Various types of frames can be installed in it. A printer model with an integral frame is also available. The application of the paste itself is done manually using the squeegee supplied with the printer, allowing the user precise control over the paste application process.